Hello everyone. Normally I would say a very warm welcome, but it sounds kind of inappropriate in this weather, so just a hello. My name is Maciej Halbryt and I'll run Sescom Innovation Lab. And today I will tell you a little bit about why we're here and what we're doing. First though, I'd like to start with a short video. Some of you might remember a movie from 2002 called Minority Report. Who remembers? Who watched it? Okay, so I see there's a lot of sci-fi fans, just like myself, here in the audience. And why I love sci-fi and science fiction is that we can explore different versions of the future, different possibilities, how the future may unfold. And in this short video, it's one of the most iconic scenes from Minority Report film. In 2002, they envisioned that in 2054, shopping would look similarly to what you've seen. The part that you've seen is about personalized advertising. And what I'd like you to think about about this scene is that it's a generalization of how shopping for products and services these days is changing and has already changed. There are a lot of factors that are impacting how we shop for products and for services, and I won't be going into detail about it. But what is important from our perspective is that the way we shop for products and services is also impacting the space, the physical space where this is happening. And this is exactly where Sescom's business is. So imagine that you're walking into a store, grocery store, a coffee shop, a petrol station, a bank branch, and you want to buy something. And what you see is the usual stuff, right? The store, the associates, some clothing, maybe shelves, walls, whatever. What we see though is a whole set of devices and fixtures that can break down. All of them are hidden in the walls, in the ceilings, some of them in the floor, but there is a huge variety of them, from hydraulic installations, air conditioning, very important today, ventilation, electricity, security equipment, IT infrastructure, really great variety, and all of them can have a fault. So our business is on, first of all, making sure that these faults don't happen, so we prevent those faults from happening. However, if the worst happens, we go there and react to a failure. This whole set of services is usually coined under the term facility management. And we complement facility management with fit-out services and energy efficiency services. What's really important for us is we really don't care what is being sold in this particular physical space. It can be clothing, it can be coffee, it can be tomatoes and potatoes, or it can be loans for that matter, or petrol. What is important though is a common denominator for all of those types of companies, which is the fact that they all are chains. They all are a network of physical locations that are geographically dispersed, and usually there are very many of those locations. That's how we understand retail, very broadly. This is what I like to call a vanity slide, because we're really proud of it. In the past 11 years of Sescom's existence, we managed to grow from a local company in Gdańsk, in the north of Poland, to a company working with clients across entire European Union. And we're also listed on the Warsaw Stock Exchange, and I think these numbers are quite impressive, actually, for any business that's only 11 years old. So coming back to facility management, this is what it looks like today. These are actually our service people doing their job. This is very traditional, very linear, preventive and reactive maintenance. You basically just do the work today when something happens, or try to prevent it from happening. But when you when you go back to the beginning of my presentation, when I said that the way that the physical locations, the stores are changing because of the way we shop is changing, we also think that facility management will change drastically. And this change will be very much dependent on data, sensors, and Internet of Things. And this change, this dependency on data will mean that, that the business models will be disrupted. The current business model of facility management will change completely. And we want to be part of that change. We actually want to lead that change and be the most innovative company, the most innovative facility management company in the world. That's why we decided to partner with Brinc for the ScaleUp program, where we are sourcing for innovation in the Internet of Things space. We're currently working with 2 companies from the ScaleUp program. We're talking about running some pilots with them. But if you are interested and if you see that you could potentially grow with us, then definitely don't hesitate to reach us under that email on the slide. So thank you very much for your attention. I wish you a very fruitful day of conversations and business opportunities. Thank you.